Welcome back. Another Basics with Brian. Hey guys, today we're going to talk drop spreaders. The 250, 600, Drop Pro 600, and Drop Pro 1400. So last time we talked tailgate spreaders, which is a rotary. This is the drop spreader. It's going to be closer to the ground, tighter pattern of salt spread, which is perfect for sidewalks and tight areas. The drop spreaders are available to fit on UTVs and tractors. There's many mounts available for each application. These are available in poly and stainless steel models. In the Drop 250 and 600, these are your stainless options. In the poly, you will be offered a Drop Pro 600 or a Drop Pro 1400. All these models come with lids to protect your material. The drop spreader is real easy to maintain and operate as there's not as many moving parts. So the drop spreader is mainly used in sidewalks or tight areas where you want to control a thin pattern, a nice even pattern without having it land outside on the grassy surfaces or pile up against banks on the sides where you don't want it. This will stay a nice centered pattern down your path. College campuses, another nice spot, or very long sidewalks. This is really nice. With the UTV, it's also nice in long runs. Your salt is in the back of the UTV, so it's easy to fill as necessary. The stainless models come with the bag splitter mounted on the screen for ease of emptying bags when filling the hopper. Like I said in earlier videos, you never want to leave material in your spreader. The drop spreader has a latch pin, which is real nice. By pulling this, you can dump the material into a bucket, into a material bin or storage container. So we talked a lot about parking lots. In growing a business, this is the next step. This is a useful tool in being able to be efficient. The stainless models, the 250 and 600, come standard with a 3-point hitch, the in-bed mount, and a 2-inch receiver. As for the poly models, it's important to check with your dealer as there's many mount options available depending on your vehicle. The control with the drop spreaders will vary depending on which model you choose. Let's talk some accessories. For the stainless models, you can get extension sides, which helps with more material flow. Also available is a vibrator kit, which keeps the flow of material flowing to the bottom of the hopper. Available on all models is a work light. Work light is very important to keep an eye on the material flow behind your spreader. Last but not least, don't forget the grease. Grease is important on all grease zerks, but dielectric grease is also important to keep your harnesses nice and clean. Thanks for tuning in with another Basics with Brian this month, featuring the drop spreader. Now, take a look at our top 5 takeaways.